Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, my name is Mohd Thaqif Aqil bin Ismail, and today, me alongside with my teammates Muhammad Aiman Hakim bin Kasman, Aina Saliha binti Shahril, Zulisha Sofia binti Zulkifli will be presenting about a topic which is endangered species. Today we will be briefing about an endangered animal which is Yangtze Finless porpoise. Evolution, a system that embedded our Earth through centuries, has now paid an eminent forces towards all of the sentient beings. We, the human itself, equipped with great intelligence, has caused a lot of consequences that have been occurred lately. As the time goes on and on, our innovation, our invention itself, has paid a great price and make a huge mark on the other living things. Through the ages, we unfortunately has caused the reduction of animal population. If we doesn't take a stand towards this irresponsible behavior, we believe that the consequences will be more than meets the eye. Today, we will be talking about an animal which are stepping its new era into the age of extinction, which is Yangtze Finless porpoise.
Coming up for a quick hello. And coming in for a closer look. This quirky creature is a finless porpoise. It's mating season, so they're dancing and acting a little strange. It's amazing how intelligent they are. You can see the wheels turning in their brain. Porpoises are smaller than dolphins, with shorter snouts, sociable but shy. Unless you're Professor Ko Jiangbing of Wuhan's Institute of Hydrobiology, he calls them over, puts a kiss, and gives a snack while doing a medical checkup. The porpoises are part of my life, he says. They have become our friends. Friends under threat. Now there are fewer than 1,000 left. Their natural home is the Yangtze River. Habitat loss, pollution and overfishing are killing them off.
If proper measures aren't taken, they will be extinct in 10 years. But to be honest, we only have 5 years to take action.
Chinese scientists are acting, creating a breeding sanctuary cut off from the river.
Only China has this species. And children will start asking questions one day like, why did we let them go extinct? That's why we want this reserve.
So they take painstaking care to build up the numbers. So we're going to a holding pen which is on the edge of the lake. There are 3 porpoises here, around 4 to 5 years old. They feed them like this by hand so they know they're getting exactly the right nutrients they need. For scientists like Ho, it's personal. And losing this national treasure would be like losing a friend.
The biological name or the scientific name of this animal is Nymphosaena asiaorientalis, but locally, this name is known by one name, which is Yangtze Finless porpoise.
The basic morphology or features. The Yangtze Finless porpoise has a robust and streamlined body, lacks a true dorsal fin having a dorsal ridge instead, and features a rounded small dorsal hump. Their coloration is typically dark grey on the back and light grey on the belly. These adaptations are suited to their freshwater habitat in the Yangtze River, allowing for efficient swimming and maneuvering. They can't breathe underwater, so have to come to the surface regularly to breathe air like you. Finless porpoises are very active and have been seen to dart about just under the water surface, changing direction quickly and often. Porpoises are generally small, less than 2.5 meters long.
Yangtze Finless porpoise is one of the very few porpoise or relatives or dolphins and whales that lives in the freshwater. So its small size and cute smile makes it much loved in China and beyond. So, but we need to prevent it going the same way and as the functionally extinct Yangtze river dolphin, or known as Beiji. So the porpoise are at risk from the same threats that the Beiji face, which is including food loss, food sources, and boat collisions. So the Yangtze Finless porpoise is found in the main Yangtze River channel in central and eastern in China, and two lakes naturally connected to the river in the central Yangtze, Dongting and Poyang.
The importance of this species to the ecosystem. Porpoise are at the top of the food chain and have an important role in the overall balance of the marine environment. They can tell us about the health of the ocean, such as the presence of the pollution and decline in fish. Porpoise play an important role in keeping their environment healthy. They eat fish and other river creatures, which will otherwise increase in number and unbalance local food chain.
Through all of the years, Yangtze Finless porpoise have been facing two major problems. The problems, number one, that is mainly known is large numbers of this animal are killed by entanglement in gill nets and illegal fishing. The other major problems are the land reclamation and infrastructure development has caused a lot of damage towards its habitat, and is also causing a water pollution, which in this scenario creates a vessel strikes and acoustic disturbance.
So there are few actions taken for conservation of Yangtze River's Finless porpoise, which is researchers have shown that is one of the 65 species that were upgraded in the list of national key protected wild animals stored by the State Council of China, representing the first large adjustment with China's wildlife protection list since 1989. The decision will greatly strengthen the efforts to save the iconic species, whose number have fallen just over 100,000, although the population appears to have stabilized recently. So real progress had been made in 4 key areas, which is the first one is creating healthy populations in oxbow lakes, including Tianyizhao. And the next one, the second one, is launching mass communication campaigns such as Keep the Finless Porpoise Smiling, Watching the Finless Porpoise, and Running for the Finless Porpoise. And the third one is by promoting the introduction and implementation of a series of protection policies, including the Yangtze River Porpoises Rescue Action Plan, which is from 2016 to 2025. Which is a comprehensive management plan to ban fishing on 7 major tributaries and 2 major lakes of Yangtze River Basin. And the very last one is by promoting collaboration through Yangtze River Freshwater Dolphin and Protection Network and the Yangtze River Finless Porpoise for the Rescue Alliance.
Suggestions to enhance the conservation activities. Number 1. Engage local communities in conservation efforts, raising awareness about the importance of protecting the finless porpoise and their habitat. Number 2. Habitat protection and restoration by implement measures to protect and restore their natural habitat in the Yangtze River by population monitoring and relocating the porpoise to safer parts of the river. Number 3. Regulates and manage boat traffic in the Yangtze River to reduce collisions and disturbance to the porpoise. Establish designated zone to minimize the human impact. Number 4. Collaborate with international organizations, governments, and researchers to share knowledge and resources, fostering a global approach to the conservation of this endangered species. We want to say thank you to Shahril and Red and Aqil for giving us opportunity our video about the endangered species. Thank you for watching.